ancient night. Sacred echoes whisper through the fading light. I hear the arcane rise, the forbidden bloom. I feel the crack inside my stone cocoon. A guardian forced in silent faith, bound to shield, bound to devastate. The world grows quiet, then cracks in two as the titan wakes and he's coming for you. Rap pop, water flow, I feel the spell, heat cooking in the sky. Double shot on my back, so step aside or die. I'm the anti-magic monolith, breaking every rule. Drop fast, smash hard, Galileo makes the boom. Your mana trembles when I enter the zone, cause every arcane spark just feeds my stone. Got wings like mountains, fists like doom. One leap, one slam, entire teams go boom. Breathe, drop, breathe, drive. Light the sky, break the arcane. I am the justice, cut from stone. Wings up, let the heavens shake. This is the call, the fall I make. Drum start goes boom. Sky breaks open when the titan blooms. Marble fists crash down divine monsoon, screaming through the air like a holy typhoon. Galileo descending like the wrath of the moon. Boom, 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 boom. Magic splits, whole lanes consumed. Your whole front line gets exhumed, cause when the stone god hits the room, big bird goes boom. I was carved to stand between the world and fear, to hold the line when fate draws near. Arcane storms try to swallow the light, but I rise again, a sentinel of the night. A titan's burden, a sacred vow. I will not falter, not here, not now. With a quiet smirk I crush the gloom. Careful little mage, I bring the boom. Step back, I'm airborne, fully awake. Titan mode on and watch your whole team break. Stone veins pumping with the ancient flame. I'm judgment incarnate, remember the name Jelio. I slam, I crack, I split the sky. Every spell you cast deny. The arcane screams when I resume, cause I arrive fast and I leave with a boom. Let the sky go roar. Stone against the brand. Hold your ground. I'm coming down fast. Big bird goes boom. I slay a Jedi. Oh, the transfers from the soul. Wings up, let the heavens shake. This is the call. Falling like a meteor, breaking every rune. Kicks hit harder than a war platoon. Arcane fades in a violent boom. Galileo descends and he seals your doom. Screams echo through the battlefield gloom. Every mate runs, there's no room. When the sky turns black and the stone consumes, the titan lands and Big Bird goes boom. When the final spark burns out and dies, I return to stone beneath the skies, until magic rises and the world resumes. I sleep again, waiting for the next